8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Glenwood, or 10 miles west of Connorsville, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rushville around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Glenwood around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include New Salem. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Rush, Indiana,